We are going on a 10-mile day hike today, and we want to take you guys along for the hike and talk about what we bring day hiking. You ready?
Ready.
Let's get hiking. Let's hit the trail. We usually focus on backpacking on this channel, but let's face it, on any given weekend, there's a higher likelihood that we're day hiking and not backpacking. So, in today's video, we're going to cover everything that we bring day hiking, starting with a very important item. With any hike that you do, you need to have some navigation. Now, some old school mentalities might say you should bring a paper map and a compass, but let's be real, in 2026, most people, including myself, are going to navigate on your phone. So wherever you're going hiking, make sure you have your maps downloaded so you can access them offline. For example, I have this map downloaded with our trail on it. I can see right where we are. I had this campsite pin from the last time I came up here, but make sure you bring navigation on every hike. We made it to the top of our first destination. We are on Raspberry Mountain.
Next up, Mount Herman.
Let's do it. So what we're really doing is running down the list of 10 essentials to bring hiking. And number 2 on that list is illumination.
So if we're doing an early morning hike or we're planning on finishing up a little later, we'll bring headlamps. But just for general purposes, we always have our phone flashlight, just in case.
We always make sure we pack plenty of food and snacks, so I always like to bring some nuts, some crackers, and it has some jerky right here. But bring a little bit more food than you think you need, because it always sucks when you run out of food and you still have a few miles left in your hike. Another thing that we bring on every hike, and one of the 10 essentials, is sun protection. I love this Kettle Mountain sun hoodie. This is definitely my favorite sun shirt. I'll leave a link for it at the bottom, along with Anna's Outdoor Research Echo. But aside from a nice sun shirt, just always make sure you bring a hat, some sunglasses, and make sure anything that is exposed, you put sunscreen on it.
All right, water is obviously very important when you're out in the wilderness hiking. Rule of thumb for us, we usually like to pack around 1 liter per 5 miles, but always overpack a little more than you think you're gonna need, because you don't want to be stuck in a situation without water.
Continuing down the list of things that we bring day hiking, and in line with the 10 essentials, is some sort of like emergency shelter. I think one of the 10 essentials is a shelter, but let's face it, we're not going to bring tents and everything day hiking. That's what backpacking is for. But I have this little space blanket I bring, so like just in case, can bundle up in that, get a little protection from the elements. While we're in here, we're going to just do a few items at one time. So something else that everyone should bring is some sort of small first aid kit. Nothing fancy in here. This is the same one that I use backpacking. Just really has some Advil, some Band-Aids, some Imodium, some tweezers, some nail clippers, and some little mini scissors, and a little bit of gauze. I'm not going to be covering up substantial wounds out here. That's what emergency services are for. And on those lines, something that is not on the list of 10 essentials that I like to bring when we're out of reception, like we are now, is my Garmin inReach. Same one that I bring backpacking, just in case we get into some sort of really bad situation out here and we don't have cell service. I can at least call for help. We are working our way down to Limbaugh Canyon, where we'll have a nice, flat, cruisy trail to complete our loop back to the car. Still have like 5 miles though.
And another tip is to bring an extra layer. Definitely could be critical if you're in a situation where it gets really cold, but it's also just nice to have on breaks when you're in a breezy area. So this is a nice light layer that I like to bring.
Another one of the 10 essentials that admittedly I don't always bring, but it's a fire starter. So mini Bic lighter, if I do bring this, usually just keep it inside my little first aid kit, but just in case something goes wrong, we can start a fire. Another thing that is actually on the 10 essentials list that I don't think we ever bring day hiking is a repair kit. When we're backpacking, yes, we'll have patches for the sleeping pad and the tent and everything, but day hiking, not really.
As far as shoes goes, we like to wear trail runners. My shoe of choice is the Topo. I have tried various models of Topo. Consistently, they are my favorite shoe with a nice big toe box. Very comfortable, and I wear them for all of my hiking and outdoors activities.
And now we're both in Topos. Another thing that we bring on almost all of our day hikes are trekking poles. I remember back in the day, I thought people who used trekking poles just looked corny or old or whatever, but after hiking my whole life and after 15 plus years of backpacking now, I have realized how nice it is to have a pair of trekking poles, even for day hikes, especially for the steep up hills, the steep down hills, and just staying balanced on uneven terrain. I don't think that anybody should overlook trekking poles. One more quick note about the trekking poles is, if it's a really short, mellow hike, we're not going to bring them. If it's a super scrambly hike and we're going to be using our hands all the time, we're probably not going to bring them. But a vast majority of trips, if there's any sort of mileage or elevation, we're bringing them. And the last piece of gear that we bring day hiking, of course, is our backpacks. Now, when it comes to day hiking packs, we're not super particular. With backpacking, we care a lot about weight and weight transfer. Not so much for day hiking. As long as it carries what we need and they're comfortable, they're fine. Mine's a cheap one from REI. Anna uses this one from Amazon. They're nothing fancy, but we don't need anything fancy. So, that's the last piece of gear that we bring day hiking.
So that was everything we take out on the trail.
Yeah, thank you guys for joining us on this day hike. Of course, things will look a little bit different in the winter when it's colder, but most of the time, that's everything that we take day hiking. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you out on the trail. Cheers.